Welcome back to Push Us Uni channel. We are continuing with mathematics. Last time we did logarithms. So today we are going to be continuing with more questions on logarithms. So stay tuned. Remember after this video to click the bell for more notifications and subscribe, share. Our question here says find x if the logarithm in base 5 of x minus 7 is equal to 1. So according to our laws of logarithms, if we have the log of b in base a equal to x, so our value of b will be b equal to a to the power of x, because our base becomes the whole number and our value here on the right hand side becomes our power. So in this case we are going to apply this law on this question. So we have log of x minus 7 in base 5 equal to 1. So in this case, by removing the logarithm, we are going to be raising our 5 to the power 1. So we'll be having x minus 7 being equal to 5 to the power of 1. So 5 to the power of 1 is 5. So we have x minus 7 equal to 5. Then we solve the equation. What we do to the left hand side, we do it to the right hand side. So we are going to move this minus 7 to the right hand side. So we have x being equal to 5 plus 7. Then we get our x being equal to 12. That is our solution for the first question. Okay, so we just solved our first question on logarithms. Here we had our log of x minus 7 in base 5 being equal to 1. So we used this first law by changing the logarithm sign, removing the logarithm sign and getting our b equal to a to the power of x, because when we remove this log sign, we remove it by taking this a to become the whole number and raising it to the power, the value on the right hand side. So here we got our x being equal to 5 to the power of 1. This 5 went to the right hand side and become the whole number, and 1 became the power as in this question. So then we solved this question, we got our x being equal to 12. So remember, after this, remember to subscribe, share and ring the bell for more notifications. Push us on the channel. Tukufamba ne Maths.